All right, let's talk about tkat, baby. All right. To advice food, this entertainment. If you don't know what NFT is them art, digital arts, baby. Okay. Now the reason why the stock is booming today went up like 30%. Okay. It's some news. All right. Let's get into the news. NFT related stock draws attention to digital assets. Buzz grows, baby. Okay. The popularity of non fungible tokens, a type of digital assets that is authenticated by blockchain, baby. Okay, so this is moved by blockchain. NFT is moved by blockchain. That's why it's down, just like the e-bond. I mean, it's like the crypto stocks, Mara, Riot, eBang. Whew, boy, okay, but blockchain is spreading to equities as investors focus on shares for online art trading platforms and companies making NFT related announcements, sparking outside moves in their stocks. Shares of Sin Global, Shipping America, baby, okay, ticker symbol SINO, a shipping logistics company, were last up 12% after rising as much as 33% after the company said it would launch an exchange for NFTs with e-commerce public chain CyberMiles. Okay, the stock, which recently traded at $9.66, rose 85% in the last 8 sessions. Shares of pipe maker ZK International Group, ticker symbol ZKIN, last up 6%, rose as much as 20% before the parent gains on Thursday after it said subdaringly that the corporation would develop an NFT marketplace where users could buy and sell NFTs and create their own custom assets in a few clicks. So they're giving them the access to be able to sell the NFTs, which is being like priced like art because it's art, baby. Okay, so art is valuable. It's like the Mona Lisa. You only got one copy of that. So therefore, if I make an NFT, it's only going to be one or a certain amount of number of that copies that I'm willing to sell, depending on the artist. So therefore, it can be very valuable or very worthless. Who knows, baby? All right. Investors appear to be letting that appear to be betting that the art related companies would profit from NFT with US shares in the art trading platforms, ticker symbol TKAT, baby, Oriental Cultural Holding, changing hands rapidly on Thursday, baby. Okay. TKAT shares was last down 8% after rising as much as 79% early in the session. Had soared more than 700% in the last 5 sessions. Okay. Oriental Cultural shares, which rose as much as 60% on Thursday before turning down 3%, baby. Okay. Toning it down, but it went down a little bit. Had risen 200% in the last 5 sessions. The popularity of NFTs has exploded during the pandemic, and enthusiasts and investors scrambled to spend enormous sums of money on items that exist only online. Come on, man. This is big and crazy, okay? All right. So, TKAT, it's NFT art, baby. Okay, so they're in the NFT art business, and I believe that's gonna be big in the future. If you notice, the stock is just crazy, another roller coaster, baby ride. That thing gonna roll up, it's gonna roll down right now because it ain't found itself. It's just new, it's building up, and it's like Bitcoin right now, and it's kind of following the chain of blockchain. Okay, so therefore, blockchain, as you know, it's gonna do its thing, but it is a roller coaster ride. Right? You see right here, TKAT baby just be up and down. I think hit $45. I caught it at I think in the mid 20s, somewhere around there. Earlier, way down here before the big run up. Oh, that was one of the big run ups, and it hit again, and it hit again in the 40s. Even got up there to Oh yeah, that's where my lines is at. Yeah, that's why I was in that guy right there. Where my lines was at. See where my lines is at. Move this down a little bit. See what I got going on. What the fuck? I mean, I don't know where I was wrong, but Yeah, okay. I had some lines, but somewhere in there, I think that's when I spotted it. Yeah, get my line. See, that's why I like trading you, baby. You go back to where you was at, and it don't never change. So that way you can see where you made a mistake at. Where I made a mistake is that I was in it. I believe I was in it somewhere around here, or I caught it after hours. I seen this run up. Yeah, I believe I seen this run up, and then I was starting to contemplate on getting out or how far it's gonna run up. And that's not what's greedy. Fat pig. Trying to be greedy. Thinking, oh man, it's $74. It's gonna it's gonna maybe hit 80 to 100. I'm gonna hold this thing to get 80 to 100. Yeah, I was holding it. All right, sell off. Okay, we back in the game. $69. Mm, still in sale. I see the object of the game is when I ran that thing up here, get out. Get out. Take your profits, get out, and just wait. Wait and wait. And run down here, 35. Maybe get back in if you want to. 35, right at the 45. Quick flip. Get back out again. Because you know that now you're learning the stock. You know what I'm saying? Now you're watching it. Now you know it's a runner. I like runners. I like, I'm loving these runners. The only thing about these runners, though, they would run you down. You got to know how to play them, baby. Okay, you got to know how to catch that thing down in 30s. You run that thing up to the 40s. Okay, you swing. That's what's called considered a swing trade, where you will get it in the low 30s and you will ride it all the way up to the 40s. Get out. This is one day. One day. 32. You put 5 stacks on it at $32 will be equals. Okay. You take that same 5 stacks, that money, you bought 32 shares. What if? Okay. Now, then you get up there to the 40. Even if you got to 43, 44 somewhere, and then you're like, oh man, oh my God, that's enough. I'm out. But just say you made it to the 40, 44.50. 44.50, then you get out. Now I see what your price would be one day. That's what I mean by swing trading, quick flip. You're in it, you out it, and you just wait on it to get back to the low price again. So now you see it next day. That was a half a day or something. That must have been a short day, right there on the April the 7th. I don't know what that was, but you see, you just roll back down. Now it's down here. Now it's in the low 20s. You know what it can do. So now you just add up. You know what I'm saying? Let it hit 20. You load up a few, or you do the same thing again. 22, go up to 30, down there. Quick flip. Or you can buy in the 20s and you want to hold it till they get to the 40s. It might take a day, might take a week, might take a month or two. But if that's your plan, you got your game plan, you put in 5 racks or whatever your money is. This is not financial advice, not a financial advisor, just a money coach, entertainer, baby. Just let you know. But you put your money in. This is just what if example. You put your money in, 5 stacks, bam, you ride it on up, and you just wait. Wait a month, whatever. Oh, you gotta pay the 29. But in the meantime, when it's down here to 18s, you can break that $5,000 up into fives, up into threes. So now when it's down to 18, that's when you put two, three, $4,000 on it. Cause you like, oh man, I put 1,000 on it when it was 20. Now it went down to 18. I'm gonna put $3,000 on it or $2,000 on it. It lowers your cost average, baby. And you just still know your number is 40. Know your number 40 plus, baby, like a big girl, 40 plus. Okay, you want you a 40 plus. So now you wait till that thing get you a 40 plus. All right, 24. Next day, it ain't get there. It's teasing you. 29. It's playing games. Oh my God. Now you just wait till you get your 40 plus. That will be my game plan for the tkat on the NFT stocks. You know what I'm saying? On how to play that with a swing trade, baby. Okay? Get for the 20s, 18s low. You get you a double flip. Or you can play it safer. You get it for the same price and you sell or put your price limit to sell at 35. Still a nice gain, baby. Okay. So this is your what if example on the stock market to help you and motivate, encourage you to get into the stock market game, baby. Be blessed to invest yourself. This tkat. I am the money coach, and I'm out.